This is for 2 people, right? I mean, I can finish this in my own, but we added like 2 ramens in here.
Hi guys, this is Phoebe from Krazy Thursday. Welcome to our channel. We would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. So guys, have you seen the Oscars? Have you seen Parasite? Yeah, Parasite won the Best Pictures with 3 different other awards. It's by a Korean film director called Bong Joon-ho. And inside the Oscars film, there was this dish called Jjapaguri. Do you know what Jjapaguri is? It was translated as ramdon, as like ramen and udon. They wanted to convey the message that it's a mixture of 2 different noodles. The Jjapa is from the Jjapagetti. The guri is from the Neoguri. So Neoguri actually means raccoon in Korean. And the reason why this is called a raccoon ramen is because of these very chubby noodles, like a raccoon. I don't really get why it's called a raccoon, to be honest. And Jjapagetti is like the Korean Chinese black bean noodle dish that's turned into a ramen version. This is loved by all family members because it's not that spicy. It has this really savory and like sweet kind of taste. So today we're gonna make this dish and let's get straight to the ingredients. We're gonna need 1 Jjapagetti and 1 Neoguri. And I don't know if you have seen the film, but she orders like her maid to add strip loins into the ramen. But because we're Krazy Thursday and we ain't got no time for that, we're gonna add spam today, which is also gonna be so delicious. We've tried it and we loved it and we wanna share it with you. I bought a 200 gram of spam. You can get more if you're just really into this. 1 cucumber. You don't need cucumbers if you don't like it. I just wanna add it as like a condiment on top. And we need 1 liter of water. This is 500 milliliters right now, but I have 500 more in my pot. So that's it. It's this simple and let's get cooking. Okay, first we're gonna cut the spam. Be careful guys when you open up a can. And then you press it up like this. I'm gonna use the whole thing. I'm gonna cut these into cubes. So maybe cut them into 4 pieces for now. My nails match my spam today. Pan is heated. You don't need to oil your pan. Unlike the beef in the film, spam needs to be cooked all the way in, but because it's produce meat, it's not gonna cook as fast. So I'm gonna cover it. Open it, turn them around. Can you smell this, guys? Of course you can't, but it smells amazing. We're gonna cook the noodles inside with the pan later. But first we have to cook the noodles. So let's get to the noodles now. Our spam is ready. So like I said, I already have 500 milliliters of water in here. I'm gonna add 500 more. We're gonna cook both of the noodles. So it comes with the vegetable flakes, the black bean sauce, and olive oil. And for the Neoguri, like I said guys, this has this chubby noodles. Can you see? It comes with this piece of seaweed. Actually, I'm gonna put this now. And we also have the vegetable flakes. It's the ramen powder that's in every single ramen. This is like the essence of today's Jjapaguri. The golden ratio of Jjapaguri is gonna be all of this and half of this. So our water is boiling, so let's cook our noodles. Okay, I'm gonna cut them into half, put it in here. And we're going to cook this for 5 minutes. We don't want it al dente, guys. This is not pasta, so we want it fully cooked. Okay, guys, this is cooked. I'm gonna go and pour out the water. Guys, don't pour out all of the water. You want some water in there to make sure that it's not too sticky. Pour in all of the Jjapagetti black bean powder. Add half of the Neoguri powder. Hold half of the and add. This is why there needs to be some water in here. I have the heat to very low, and we're gonna cook it for about like half a minute. Okay guys, let's pour this in here like this and just mix this.
This is for 2 people, right? I mean, I can finish this in my own, but we added like 2 ramens in here. To top it off, we like adding strips of cucumber to our noodles. Just a little bit. So that's it for now, and let's take this to our table and enjoy. Okay, so guys, our Jjapaguri is ready. It is the Spam Jjapaguri. You can only taste this in Krazy Thursday, so let's try. Don't forget to add large chunks of Spam. And today I'm gonna enjoy with my favorite local beer brand. This is like cherry wheat ale, so hopefully it's gonna taste a bit like cherry soda. And I also have a little bit of radish kimchi with me today. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to try this Jjapaguri Spam Krazy Thursday version at home. Please like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments how they went, if you like them better than the Oscar-winning fake glowing Chapaguri. Okay guys, that's Phoebe from Krazy Thursday. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.